Set. Medyo mataas ang buha, kaya natin pababayan ng konti. Okay, puluban muna tayo dito. Yan. Park. Andali. Mataas ang buha ng camera natin. Dapat na yun. Yun na. Okay. Isang lane. Here tayo. Okay, let's go home. What street is this? This is not a Vulture Street. Mowbray Park. This is Australia. 2 p.m. Kanina 7 a.m. walang sasakyan, apat lang kami. Ito naman 2 p.m. Look at that. Kaliwa tayo dito sa Vulture Street. Yun. Shout out Baron B. Baron, bro, are you familiar with this place? I'm in Vulture Street, just past West End. Just did the shisha over there. Tomorrow will be Mogira Lake. With Asian Pride hip hop dances from the Philippines. Nandito ang Asian Pride. Binisita nila kami dito sa Queensland. They drove 12 hours just to see me here in Queensland, from Sydney to Brisbane. 12 hours drive. That could be more than 800 kilometers, I suppose. Look at that. Mainit. It's 28.5 degrees at the moment. Yan ang sabi ng computer ko sa kotse. 28.5 degrees. Naglagay ako ng aircon. Sinaltikan ko na yung aircon. Kasi nakapark ito sa sa street kanina. Greenwich Road. French din yan, mga ganyang ugali. You're caught on camera, bro. Taking my lane. It's okay. It's home time anyway. It's 2:15 in the afternoon. On the driver of that Toyota Land Cruiser. It's an old bugger. It's a guy. It's an old bugger. No traffic at all. 2 p.m. Ambulance. Even the ambulance, it doesn't need a siren blow. There's hardly any cars on the road. Oh, turning left. A bit light road. Indicate 30 meters away. Police. Where's the police here after? Look. Checking. Check. Laser tattoo removal. Yun, yung mga gusto magpalis ng tattoo dyan. Meron kami dito, dami namin ditong laser tattoo removal. Bus depot. Dipat ang tawag sa atin. Dito depot. Bus dipat. Bus depot. Sa depot meaning ito yung terminus. Diyan nagmumula at natatapos. Diyan umuurong at nagsisimula ang mga buses ng Brisbane City Council bus in this area. Carina Bus Depot. It's a good money as a bus driver. Bus driver like 75k Australian dollar a year. Not bad. It's a long hours, 12 hours. I think it's 4 days on, 3 days off. And you got really good incentives. And discounts. Like, you know, health and well-being, dentist, Medicare, private health. Not yun, discounted yun. 15% discount. Ganda na yun. Free gymnasium membership, free transport. Pag bus driver ka, sakay ka lang ng sakay sa ibang bus, pag layout mo. Para ka ding pulis ng Kalawakan. Libre. Don't tell me it's gonna stop. Because it's an old man. He's a law-abiding citizen. Kung di nag-stop yun, stop din. Tutuloy din ako. Kasi nasa 50 pa lang eh. Kaya, unahan natin to. Naka 3.8 Eco Drive tayo. V8 na F1 ang nakalagay na makina doon sa kanyang X5. Bagay sa Philippines yun kasi puro bundukin doon, saka sa mga pangit ng karsada doon. Pero dito sa amin, this is where our taxis go. Sana ganito up. May amber light po kanina doon, yung arrow po sa ano, sa bahay ng mga siga. Iba ang pwestuhan ng ano, sasakyan. Ito na, dito na tayo. Ayun o. Rock and roll, rock and roll, rock and roll.